Hi guys, this is Dennis here. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up Python and Visual Studio on your Windows 10. So if you are looking for how to run Python program in your favorite Visual Studio, then let's go here and watch this video until the end because I'm going to show you here step by step process to configure Visual Studio Code for running Python programs. First of all, we have to download latest version of python.exe file, then Visual Studio. So open your favorite browser, then search for Python. This is the official link of Python. So click here or open link in new tab. This is official page for downloading for latest version of Python for Windows. Now click download option. Now you can see python.exe file downloading. It will take some time to download, all depend on your internet connection speed. Our python.exe file downloaded successfully. Click show in folder. We need to install this file. Right click on this file and select run as administrator, and it will start the setup wizard. Here select edit python 3.9 to path. In order to edit python path to our environment variable, you just need to check this option which says edit python 3.9 to path, then click install now. This is the default location where Python will be installed. It's installing. We have to wait until installation process finished. Finally installed it successfully, so I'm going to just click close. Now search here, right here Python. You will see the above ideally Python 3.9.64-bit. Just right click run as administrator here. To open it, just print here something. You will see here it's printed thanks Dennis. Let's say you want to write in a complete program, so for that you can what you can do is you need to do just go to file, then new file. Now let's say if we want to print something in our console, so for that simply type thanks hello world. Then go to file to get the save as. I'm selecting desktop here. Type file name. This file save as type Python file whose extension is .py. Then click save button. Now go to run option and click run module or press F5 key from your keyboard. So you are seeing here left side printed thanks hello world. Now close this window. Now search again cmd now and run as administrator. In here you can see you can do same operation that I have done in the Python IDEL shell 3.9.7. Now right here in command Python, then press enter, print here something. It's working. So quit this window. Now we have to check Python installation setting and fixed manually. So search here run and search in run %app data %. Then click OK. Go back app data folder, click on local. find here programs and enter the inside of this folder. Click Python 39. Now we have to open system environment variables. So go to search and right here edit the system. Then open edit the system environment variables. Go to environment variables option. Here first path already have, so now we have to check second path. Click on path option, then click edit. Here as I see have not any path of Python 39. So now we are going to set the path. Just go back and copy this path, then create new path, paste here, then OK all window here. Open your browser again, search VS Code downloaded, press enter, then open this site. As you see here, this is the version for Windows 7, 8 and 10. Just click over here for download the Visual Studio.exe file. It's downloading. Open folder. Now I am going to run this software. Select the accept, click next button, next. Here select this additional text you would like setup to perform while installing Visual Studio Code. Then click next. It's installing now. Click on finish button. Here as you see several color of studio theme. I am selected dark one. Just click on mark done. Go to search extensions bar. Search here Python of Microsoft company. As you see above this one, just click install option. It's installing. Again to search here, write code runner. And just click install option. It's installing. Okay, all extensions installed. Now we are going to run Python in Visual Studio. So go to desktop and create new folder. Now open the folder with Visual Studio. Click desktop and select the folder. Select here. Click this icon for new file. I am giving the file name python.py. Remember that don't forget to write .py, which extension is Python. Now print here something. Now go to file, save as the file. I am giving the name tennis.py, which is Python extension. Then click save button. Now run the program by pressing play button. It's printed here.